What type of picking technology does Auto Induct use? Auto Induct uses a patent-pending vacuum gripping technology developed by AWL. How does it compare to other robotic grippers? Compared with the gripper solutions where robotic hands are used, vacuum grippers are able to handle items even if they are not perfectly positioned. However, they are also usually limited in their acceleration and the force applied when gripping parcels. The Auto Induct gripper consists out of multiple zones, therefore it's able to place as much gripping force as possible onto a parcel to maximize the picking performance. Does the choice of a gripping technology have an impact on the robotic arm itself? Well, vacuum grippers with suction cups work most efficient when used in vertical direction. This ensures a better grip and also allows parcels to fall back directly into the picking zone to be picked up again in case one gets lost.